Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the sunflower seed in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. The sunflower seed is one of the rarest plants in the game. Right now, it's only available through the flower seed pack. These packs were part of the summer event, which has ended, but you still have a chance to get them during the summer harvest event. To get started, open the summer harvest section in the game. Look for the flower seed pack. It costs about 2,000 harvest points. These packs are usually classified under the rare or legendary category, so the chances of finding a sunflower seed are low, around 0.5%. You need at least 2,000 points to have a 20% chance of getting the pack. If you don't reach that threshold, your chances drop to zero. The summer harvest event runs every hour for about 10 minutes, so stay active and join when it's live. You can also team up with friends to earn points faster. Make sure you recognize what the flower seed pack looks like, then open it and test your luck. The sunflower seed is extremely rare, just like most rare plants in Grow a Garden. So that's basically how you can get the sunflower seed in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.